Next video. In today's video we will be getting started with learning Angular. So I have tried Angular few years back, but nothing serious, like just for knowledge purpose. But recently Angular has launched a completely new version, a new branding as well. So I have started learning with Angular 17. Let's see how it goes. So firstly, what you will have to do is you will have to install the Angular CLI. So you can run a command something like this: sudo npm install -g @angular CLI, and then to create a project you can use something like ng new followed by the project name. So I have just named it as first, but you can give anything you want. Then it will ask what type of styling you want to use. I have kept it as CSS. It will ask CSS, SCSS, SASS, which is SAS, and something other, but I have kept it simple. And then do you want to enable server side rendering? I have kept it as yes, and then it generates a bunch of file for us. Now if you want to run your application, all you have to do is just run ng space serve, and it will open your application. Now this is the default application which I have created, and I have only refactored the HTML. So inside the HTML there was bunch of CSS things present. I have removed everything, as well as there was some HTML components as well, which I have removed. I have kept it simple, like h1 hello with a title and with a p paragraph tag. Now if you want to check where this title comes from, it comes from this TypeScript file over here. So this is the title which has been referenced inside the HTML. I think this spec file is for testing purposes only. Again, I'm not really sure because I have just started it, and this server might be related to server side rendering. Again, not really sure. We will figure it out in the future as we go along. Then there is a config file as well, and there is a routes file as well, and there is a CSS file as well. So CSS, like we'll be writing CSS for this component. So one thing which I noticed was, like in previous versions of Angular, when you create a new project, it would create us a module, but I think now Angular is going for a component based approach. So they are when you create a default Angular project, it just shows a component instead of a module. But yeah, we can definitely use module, but I think that is much more advanced concept as compared to component. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.